Here it is, the beach. This is what I wanted to see. This is not the beach that's very popular. You see, it's a very short beach. So the beaches with the big sand hills and that is further down this way, like a few kilometers down that way. But as you can see, the water is really clean. You can see down to the bottom, and it's just something about the ocean, right? It's calming and refreshing. It's just amazing, really. To be able to live close to the beach, I think would be something I would really love. Living close to water, it could be like a lake too, but the ocean is always the ocean.